Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Rivaldo. And today I want to show you how to make a simulation in the symmetry parts. First of all, I download this part in GrabCAD. You can also check it in your website, grabcad.com, and you can search many parts in there. Uh, as you can see, this part have when you cut half this part, it will have the same dimension and also the same shape. That's why we can make this part into a symmetry parts. First of all, we go through the configuration manager, and then we add the new configuration with you can click right into your cursor and then add configuration. You can name it depend to you. I will name it Symmetri. And then you click OK or checklist. Yeah, as you can see, Symmetry has been added into your configuration, and then we can make it into half appearance. First of all, I'm gonna make the new plane we can do in this reference geometry, and then click plane. Now the first reference. This reference I will choose the right plane with no with no with no distance. So it will be in the half of the part. And then you click OK. Your plane is created, and then I want to make the extrude cut, but before that I want to do the sketch in the new plane. Click plane and then sketch. Now I will create the rectangle. Uh, Rectangle to cover up the whole part because I want to cut it in half. And then OK. And then go to the feature toolbar and then click extrude cut. For the direction, I choose through all into the other side. And then click OK. And your part is ready. And then you go to SolidWorks add-ins toolbar and then click SolidWorks simulation. It will take some time, a few minutes, and then you can see the simulation toolbar will appears, and then you can click it, then click new study. For the study, I will choose static simulation, and then you can click OK. Now for today meetings, I would like to make this part into a solid part. We can do it with click right in your cursor and then treat as solid. As you can see, the icon has changed and it's show that your part has been into a solid part. And then we can make the fixture fix, and then choose the fixed geometry. For this geometry, I would like to make this fixed geometry in this hole. And then click OK, and then click the right cursor, and then you can make the advanced fixture. In this picture, I want to make the advanced symmetry for this side. As you can see, the the same dimension and shape will appear as a mirror in this other side. And then click OK. And then I will make to add loads or force, because this support water valve has the usually use this in to load the pipe or the valve in here. I will make the force similar with the same the real parts, yeah, in there with the metric, and the force I would like to make it in 3.5 kilogram force. Then you click OK, and then we go to mesh and create the mesh, and you click the mesh parameter, and then you choose the curvature based mesh. In this mesh, I would like to add the tree and 0.5 millimeters, and then click OK, and it will appear the mesh. And then you apply the material. For today, I would like to use alloy steel, and then click apply, then close. And for the last, we run the simulation with you click the right in the cursor and then click run, and then it takes a few minutes to solve it, and then yeah, the result will appears in this result. I appear the four type. It's stress. The first one is stress, displacement, strain, and factor of safety. For stress, today I want to, you can edit the definition to into what you need. I would like to make the true scale, and for the advance I will to show the symmetric result, and then click OK. You can, as you can see, it will show the maximum and the minimum of stress for this part, and also the table, the parameter of the von Mises in MPa. For displacement, you can edit definition too into the all this. the factor of safety, I would like to set the limit into the 10. Uh, as you can see, the factor of the safety in this part has the minimum of 1.4 and then the maximum is 10 because as you can see in before I set the limit into the 10 and voila, this is I think is enough for today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.